Django not raising integrity error for duplicate primary key. Does Django enforce uniqueness for a primary key? The documentation here seems to suggest so, but when I define a class as and test this constraint in a test case, the test fails. If I test on a normal field, primary underscore key equals false, unique equals true, then the exception is raised correctly. Setting unique equals true on the ID field does not change the result. Is there something about primary underscore key fields that I'm missing here? My database backend is MySQL, if that's relevant.
Your test method is wrong. What you're doing here is updating the existing instance since you're supplying an already used primary key. Change the save to a force underscore insert like so. The Django docs explain how Django knows whether to update or insert. You should read that section. Are you aware that Django already supports automatic primary keys? See the documentation for more of an explanation.
Please has